what, Wednesday evening, and I haven't seen my friends in a very long time, and I think I'm just gonna go look for them.
Hi.
What's your name?
Layla.
Huh? Jashalela. What they call you? Your name is Nikar too? Nikar. Nikar. Yeah.
No, seriously, how do I teach people to be a millionaire when I don't even have $1 million in my account?
So what are you supposed to teach them?
How to be millionaires, how to save and invest to become millionaires. I don't know how to invest to become a millionaire, so how the hell am I supposed to teach you to become a millionaire?
I'm there for Google it.
Google can't teach me how to be a millionaire. I would be a millionaire by then. See? Google can't teach you how to.
You know? So this is me and my kids.
Like when you can businessman, you can come teach.
Nikar. And what's your name?
Abby.
She's Abby?
Yes.
My
name is Abigail.
Sing some donkey right now.
In the Jesus. Oh no.
Oh. Hey, let's go to here.
I want cat class.
What's up? Well, today is Sunday and me and Cavell are going to Lime Cay, and I was here waiting for how long, and she's not here yet, so I'm gonna get some food because I'm starving, and I know Cavell had her breakfast already. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then continue to wait. Hey, Cavell.
Where vlogs are going? Chat vlog. YouTube vlog.
Hey guys.
You do?
Yes, I do have a YouTube channel.
I'm in a bunch of
Really? Yeah,
so what you do on these YouTube channel?
well, I vlog.
Just random vlogging?
Yeah, just random vlogging. So this is just random vlogging. Introduce yourself.
My name is Cavell.
Yeah, they've met Cavell already.
I'm Ashley.
Hi, Ashley. And yours?
Hi, I'm Nadia.
Hi. Cavell? You're finally here.
Here.
We're almost at our destination.
Almost.
Where are we going?
We're at the destination for the boat.
No.
Then we're going to go to
Remember the song? Okay, so as I got here, I'm itched. So we're here.
And you're happy?
And I'm happy. Hi.
I'm Robin. Welcome to G-Spot.
G-Spot.
Okay.
See the step?
Oh my god.
Oh gosh. Thank you.
Hi.
Welcome to G-Spot. Come on
Thank
board.
you.
To the steps.
Oh my god. Thank you. It's barefoot?
Yeah, we're all barefoot.
Okay. So yeah.
Make yourselves comfortable.
Hey, that's good.
More enough life jackets under here.
I would like one.
Oh, we've never had use for them. Now, the rules of the captain, the instructions of the captain are to be obeyed at all costs. This is the captain. And what all he tells you to do, you have to do. So, if you find yourself doing something that's not fun, you need to stop doing it.
Okay. Hear that? Hear
Bar is
that?
open.
Alright.
Bar is open.
Bar's open. So yeah. It's gonna be a very great day.
That's the airport we're passing.
and get some food because we hungry. I don't even know what's the name of this place. Danny's Marina. Look at that dog. Hey doggy. But yeah, here are the guys.
Exactly. Don't get tired. Because it's not about what you're doing. It's not about whether or not you're qualified to do it. It's about the fact that how you task. You're supposed to take out in such a manner that people don't even know say you're not qualified.
Exactly.
I don't know which if you say alright,
This one on Instagram or this one? I think that one. This one? Yeah.
Bitch, please, you're not
Okay.
killing us. I have
chosen
other waitresses to help you. Like, really?
Yeah. I think it's really.
And then she has the freaking attitude that
Your video?
she has a low attitude.
Listen, due to how this girl have her camera in the car and complaining that she has nothing to use to take pictures. So stupid, right?
Listen, I'm just getting used
I
to
have
it.
to tell her to go and get her camera.
See there?
I'm getting used to it.
Oh, you actually took a good picture.
Oh, that's so pretty.
But look at my own, it looks better.
Whatever.
Yeah, the one with the sun. It's very good. Yeah.
Because my thing don't have any
Very pretty,
flash.
man.
But it captures the water as is though. Because that's how the water that's how the water looks right now.
Give it a shadow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So look at that. So beautiful. Real beautiful. And calm.
There's probably a close there. There's a corridor.
So yeah.